Sorry, this is a normal 2.2. You can get anyone.
2.2.
What? Is it a 2.2? When the Raptor first came to South Africa, many of us were expecting it to look like this. Although the South African version is very capable, I do think the American one looks a little bit cooler. But now there is a local company that is building this very special Ford Ranger right here in Cape Town. So I decided to take this to its natural habitat, a shopping center in Brackenfell. This isn't exactly a Ford Raptor, but it is a Ford Ranger with a Moose body kit. So, what do you get for your money? You get these giant towing adjustable mirrors with indicators over there. You get wide arches over here that are absolutely gigantic front and rear. Even the bonnet's different. These F150 lights over here, bumper, and of course this giant grille with a massive Ford logo to remind you what you're driving. You've also got these 20-inch wheels, and this one comes with raised suspension to give it that proper F150 look. Large side sills and this Armando roll hoop over here. This one's had the load bay coated as well, and this cover over here is also brand new. And in case you wanted to tow a monster truck, you've got this at the back as well.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I
The Ford Ranger attracts a lot of attention.
I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
People seem to love Ford Rangers. So how does it drive? Well, it drives like any other 4x4 Ford. It's exactly the same drivetrain, exactly the same interior. It's pretty much the good old-fashioned Ford Ranger that we've come to know and love, but it looks a lot more badass. This model that we're driving here is the 2016 2.2, and it comes fitted with a lift kit and 20-inch wheels. Makes me sit really high up. I can see everything and feel like I could pretty much drive over anything or anyone. I feel very, very cool in this car, and I find my elbow wanting to automatically just lean out and start driving like this. Looking out the front of this Ford Ranger, I can feel that I'm driving something special. There is a giant louver in front of me here that reminds me that this is not any ordinary Ranger. I also got to take notice of the fact that this is much wider thanks to the body kit and those gigantic wheels as well. But I do have these massive rear view mirrors over here to help me through the process. That's the kind of rear view mirror you see on a big vehicle in the States. This isn't a bucky anymore, it's a truck. I'm driving the 6-speed 4x4 version, but there is currently a 4x2 version for sale. Having said that, any version of double cab Ranger is available. So if you have a specific option that you're looking for, you can speak to the guys at Bargain Auto and they can tailor make one of these for you. The guys at Bargain Auto though have told me that they are looking into a touchscreen upgrade, so that will be available shortly, where owners can specify an Android touchscreen to update the interior of their Ford Ranger as well. There's so many Ford Rangers running around. Ford has sold so many of them that the guys often put sticker kits, body kits, bumper kits, etc. on their cars to make it a little bit more unique. This over here is the ultimate version of a unique Ford body kit. The guys at Bargain Auto have been saying they've been getting inquiries from all over the place, from farmers to delivery guys to guys that work on the construction site. The Ford Ranger is that kind of car though, isn't it? It's the kind of car that many different people own for many, many different functions because it's such a good, reliable bucky. And this is the version of that bakkie that's the most unique at the moment, because you can only get this kit from one place in Cape Town. The guys at Bargain Auto are not selling this kit separately. They are in fact selling it as a bundle. So when you come into them to buy the kind of bakkie you want, 2.2, 3.2, 2 liter, etc., you can get any spec Ranger with this kit. Chat to the guys at Bargain Auto if you're interested in one of these kits. And if you want to be the talk of the town and have the most unique bakkie on the road, this might be that bakkie.
Yo, this is insane. Yo,
Just imported. The kit is imported, yeah. It's basically a normal Ford Ranger with a Musa kit in.
Yo, that's very nice. I love it. Yo, you guys will enjoy it.
Yeah, we will. Shut brother. Cheers.
From the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.